Hello there. I want to talk to you about something that's incredibly powerful and profound, the law of identical harvest. It's a concept that has the potential to change your life, but it's not something you can just understand with your mind. You have to experience it, feel it, and let it become part of your daily reality. Now, we all know about sowing and reaping, right? It's a simple concept. You plant a seed, you nurture it, and eventually, you reap the fruit. The law of identical harvest works in the same way, but there's a deeper layer to it that we often overlook. It isn't just about the seeds we plant physically, it's about the thoughts, beliefs, and feelings we plant in our minds. These mental seeds grow into our experiences and realities. The power of this law lies in understanding that the harvest you experience in your life right now is the result of the thoughts and feelings you have been nurturing. Your current circumstances, your relationships, your finances, your health, are not random. They are the harvests of the seeds you've planted in your subconscious mind. When you begin to understand this, it shifts everything. It means that the power to change your life is within your own hands. If you don't like the harvest you're experiencing, you can change the seeds you're planting. If you want a different outcome, you must plant different thoughts, different beliefs, and different feelings. It's as simple as that. But here's where it gets interesting. We often don't realize that we are constantly planting seeds. Every thought you have, every belief you hold, every emotion you feel is a seed being planted in the fertile soil of your subconscious mind. And because the mind does not discriminate, it accepts all seeds, both the positive and the negative, without question. It's like a garden that doesn't care whether you plant flowers or weeds, it will grow whatever you give it. So, think for a moment, what have you been planting in your mind? What thoughts and beliefs have you been nurturing, even without realizing it? If your life doesn't look the way you want it to, it's likely because you've been unconsciously planting seeds that aren't aligned with your desires. But don't worry, this can be changed. One of the most empowering realizations is that you have the ability to consciously choose the seeds you plant. You can begin right now to plant thoughts and beliefs that align with the life you want to create. But to do this, you must first become aware of the seeds you've already planted. Pay attention to your thoughts and feelings, because they reveal the seeds that are already growing in your subconscious. If you find that your current harvest is not what you want, start by questioning your thoughts and beliefs. Are they based on fear, doubt, or limitation? Or are they rooted in faith, abundance, and possibility? The more you align your thoughts with the positive, the more you will begin to see that reflected in your life. The law of identical harvest teaches us that the world around us is a mirror of our inner world. The things we experience are not separate from us, they are reflections of the seeds we've planted in our minds. This is why we cannot change our external circumstances without first changing our internal landscape. It's all connected. When you begin to understand this law, you realize that nothing in your life happens by accident. Your circumstances, both good and bad, are the result of your mental habits and your emotional patterns. If you want to see change in your life, you must change your thinking and your emotional responses. The harvest will always match the seeds you've planted. But how do you begin? How do you start planting the right seeds? The first step is to become aware of your thoughts and feelings. Begin to notice the things you're thinking and feeling throughout the day. Are they supportive of your desires, or are they reinforcing your fears? The more you become aware of your inner world, the more power you have to change it. Next, start consciously planting new seeds. Think about the life you want to create. What kind of person do you want to be? What kind of experiences do you want to have? Begin to plant thoughts and feelings that reflect those desires. If you want to be successful, for example, start thinking and feeling successful. Visualize yourself achieving your goals, and feel the emotions of success as if they are already happening. This is not about pretending that everything is perfect or ignoring your current reality. It's about choosing to focus on what you want, rather than what you don't want. It's about training your mind to look for opportunities and possibilities, rather than focusing on limitations and obstacles. It's important to remember that the subconscious mind doesn't distinguish between what is real and what is imagined. When you focus on a desired outcome and feel the emotions associated with that outcome, your subconscious mind begins to accept it as true. Over time, this new reality will begin to manifest in your life. Another key aspect of the law of identical harvest is patience. Just like with physical seeds, you can't expect an immediate harvest. Seeds take time to grow, and so do your thoughts and feelings. But if you remain consistent, if you continue to plant the right seeds day in and day out, you will eventually see the fruits of your labor. If you want to accelerate your harvest, one of the most powerful tools you have is gratitude. Gratitude is like fertilizer for your seeds. When you express gratitude for what you already have, you send a message to your subconscious mind that you are ready for more. Gratitude opens the door to more blessings, because it shows that you are in alignment with abundance. You don't have to wait until your desires are fully realized to be grateful. Start practicing gratitude for the little things, the small wins, the moments of joy, and the blessings you already have. The more you focus on gratitude, the more you attract into your life to be grateful for. Now, you might be thinking, what if I've already planted the wrong seeds? What if I've been thinking and feeling negatively for years? Don't worry. The law of identical harvest is not about punishment, it's about understanding and change. If you've been planting the wrong seeds, you can always start over. You have the power to change your mental habits and emotional patterns at any time. There's no such thing as being stuck. You can always choose to plant new seeds right now. One of the most powerful aspects of this law is that it works for everyone. It doesn't matter who you are or where you come from. The law of identical harvest is a universal principle. It doesn't care about your background, your circumstances, or your past. It only cares about what you're thinking and feeling right now. Your future is being created by the thoughts and emotions you have today. This is incredibly empowering because it means that you are not a victim of your circumstances. You are the creator of your reality. If you don't like what you're experiencing, you have the power to change it. And you can start doing that right now, in this very moment, simply by changing the way you think and feel. So, take a moment to ask yourself, what kind of harvest do you want in your life? What kind of thoughts, beliefs, and feelings do you need to plant to create that harvest? And then, begin today to plant those seeds. Be patient, be consistent, and trust in the process. Your harvest is on its way, and it will be identical to the seeds you plant in your mind. Remember, the harvest may not come overnight, but it will come. The seeds you plant today will grow into the reality you experience tomorrow. It's all about sowing with intention, nurturing with belief, and reaping the abundant harvest that is rightfully yours. Now that you understand the law of identical harvest, it's time to take action. Begin planting your new seeds today, and watch as your life transforms in ways you never thought possible. The power to create the life you desire is already within you, and it all begins with the thoughts you choose to think and the feelings you choose to feel. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this information valuable, I invite you to share it with others who may benefit from it. And remember, the harvest is always identical to the seeds you plant, so choose wisely, and trust that the abundance you desire is already on its way. If you found this message valuable, please give this video a like and share it with others who may benefit from it. By liking the video, you help more people discover the power of the law of identical harvest. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more insights and inspiration. Subscribing ensures that you stay connected with content that can help you grow and manifest the life you desire. Lastly, if you believe in the power of your mind and the ability to change your reality, consider sharing this video with friends or family who may need to hear this message. Together, we can create a ripple effect of positive change and manifestation. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.